Charlie Sheen. There, I said it. I wasn't gonna say it, but there's something that he said. Oh, there's so much to choose from. I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not gonna comment on whether or not CBS is in breach of contract or whether Charlie's in breach of contract. And I'm not a psychiatrist, so I'm not gonna comment on Charlie's mental state. But I am a father, so I'm gonna comment on one thing he said. He said he's going to sue CBS because, and I quote, "I have a family to support." Two things pissed me off about this. First of all, Charlie was getting paid $1.8 million a week. $1.8 million a week. I'm 51 years old. I've been working for 30 years, and I haven't made $1.8 million total. And if you don't believe me, ask the IRS. I've got a family to support. $1.8 million a week. I would hope that if you're making $1.8 million a week, plus residuals and endorsements and movies and who knows what other revenue streams you have, you might have saved some of that money. So that's the first thing that makes me mad about that statement. I have a family to support. The second thing is, you got a family to support, you don't do things that jeopardize losing your job. Now again, I'm no lawyer, so I'm not going to argue about whether or not he should have lost his job. But let me just go along with that old adage, where there's smoke, there's fire. Not only have I not made $1.8 million in my entire working career, but I've also never been in trouble with the law. It's kind of easy not to be in trouble with the law, unless you're on a drug called Charlie Sheen. Look it up. It's one of his quotes.